Hey guys, what's up? It's Jeremy Kruis here. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about done is better than perfect, or perfection is the enemy of good. But first we have to check in. Can you guess where we're going? I'm not going to tell you until... Wait. Try to guess where we are headed.
Spending time like I was going backwards. This is covered in my bras, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in.
We're about to go through immigration. It's actually Henna's parents' first time leaving the country. Anyways, about good is better than perfect. You know, YouTubers like Casey Neistat, Peter McKinnon, Gary Vaynerchuk, they've all said quotes like, done is better than perfect. Perfection is the enemy of good. Document rather than create. And I think it actually has a lot of truth to it. Better to constantly be making things rather than trying to strive for perfection. Because as you keep on creating, you constantly get closer and closer to perfection. Because you learn from your failures and mistakes.
Nag-stress pa sa
Meditation through the
We're about to board. So there was this experiment done. There was 2 pottery classes. One of the classes, they told the students to try to make 1 pot for the semester. The other class, they told them to make as many pots as they could for the semester. And guess who ended up making the best pots? It was actually the class that was told to make as many pots as they could, because they were able to keep making pots and keep learning as they made them. As they made mistakes, they were able to learn quickly from them and make better pots. And so that's why I am doing a daily video, because I just want to keep creating more and more. I get better a lot faster if I'm making more. It's kind of like practice, but I'm making this practice public. Practice is kind of like controlled failure. A lot of times, like we see celebrities and famous people, we only see the good sides of their job, right? But we don't see their failures and the hardships of their journey. But I feel like the generation today, Generation Z, the generation that's coming after millennials, they like to see the rawness. Gen Z, they don't like seeing like a well-polished commercial. What they're looking for are like reviews. Like millennials and Gen Z, what we usually do is we look up for reviews of products instead of just believing in the commercial. Gary Vaynerchuk emphasizes that we should document instead of create. So it's like kind of showing the journey. So this next generation is very keen on the hardships it takes to follow your dreams. So tying this in with perfectionism, I think perfectionism sometimes causes us to stop creating because we don't think it's good enough. That's why I think this daily thing is such a good exercise, because it forces me to keep creating whether it's good enough or not. What do you guys think about that? Is perfectionism causing you to not create? That's why there's that quote, perfectionism is the enemy of good enough.
On behalf of the flight and crew, headed by Captain Gerard Naida and First Officer Martin Yonde, together with the rest of the team, this is thanking you for making
Are you a perfectionist? If you are, how does it affect you? Anyways, we've arrived at our destination. Can you guess where we are yet? About to go through immigration. Some info about this trip. There's 7 of us total. So Henna's parents, her whole family, and me. We're gonna be here for 13 days. So it's gonna be an adventure. Alright, you should probably be able to guess where we are right now. If you don't, I'll let you know tomorrow, so stay tuned. Yeah, so we're gonna be here for 13 days. Yeah, I'll be documenting this trip. Again, to summarize, done is better than perfect. So go out there and create. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Alright, see you tomorrow.